Thank you so much for having me, and very good evening, everyone. Can you all hear me? Okay, we're going to go out of the heads a little bit and into the body, but don't worry, I'm not going to make you do anything crazy or anything like that. I'll just say the word sex, sex, sex a couple of times so that people who were thinking about it or like downstairs wanting to come, please come. It's going to start now. Sex, sex, sex. Okay, saying this word again and again to remove the shame around it. So I would like you to keep your purses just in the side, just at the side, anywhere on your chair is fine, or just around like ma'am here is doing is absolutely fine. And then let there not be any empty chairs. So come closer and then sit together. Yes, so if you're in the back, you can just come up front. Please do that. Your Amber, you can stay because you've seen this many times. You can come here, please. And then perhaps you all can come a little bit inward. Yeah, you can sit on the stage. That's absolutely fine. Okay, and as I'm doing that, I'm just going to give these little vulva objects to you to hold and just see what they do. I'm going to give it to some male presenting people as well. And as you're doing that, just feel it and then give it to the next person just by your side. Please come. You joining us? Yeah, you can join us, please. Just make sure there's no spaces in the middle. So this one, this grey bag, let's fill it up. You can come there. Okay, perfect. Then one more. This one is a little more heavy in caricature. Yeah. So somehow this grey bag is still here. Please, someone sitting here? अच्छा वो अपना बैग लेंगे. Okay. जब वो आएंगे तो ठीक है. Okay. No worries. Sorry. There'll be a lot of vulvas on the chair, she said. Is everyone comfortable with English? Yeah. Okay. So we're going to be like talking about. I'll mix it with Hindi. Anyone who doesn't understand Hindi? Okay, perfect. So everybody is comfortable with Hindi. मैं mix कर लूँगी. That's absolutely fine. Okay, so turn to the person next to you that you feel a little bit comfortable with. Just turn your chair. Turn your chair. We'll use you. Yeah, excellent. What's happening there? Let's all do that. So just turn your chair. And Amber, you have to participate. You can't be the photographer all the time. There's already a photographer. So, you can turn your chair. आप वेट कर लीजिएगा. You can turn your chair perhaps the other direction. Lovely. Welcome, welcome. Most welcome. आप दोनों तो जानते होगे ना एक दूसरे को. चलो ठीक है, no problem. आप you can just turn your chair एक दूसरे के सामने, just like they are doing. Yeah. So a little more so that your feet are a little bit closer and your hands can make space, but not right now. Close your eyes and just let's marvel at the fact that we are at a DLF Cyber City, we are at a mall, and we're going to talk about sexuality and how interesting and how amazing and how weird and how eccentric and how quirky. थोड़ा अजीब है, लेकिन अच्छा है कि अजीब है, क्योंकि ऐसे ही सब कुछ बदलता है धीरे धीरे. सॉरी. जब हम लज्जा की बात एक दूसरे से करते हैं, स्ट्रेंजर्स के साथ करते हैं, तो उसका इम्पैक्ट ज़्यादा होता है. ओके. सो जस्ट क्लोज योर आइज. स्ट्रेटन योर जॉ. स्ट्रेटन योर स्पाइन. Loosen your jaw. So आपका जो टंग है उसको थोड़ा सा खोल दीजिए. Just let it be loose. And now together we're just going to hear the sounds in this space. Mind is connected to body. Body is connected to all the systems, energy systems that are part of the creative force. जहाँ से सेक्शुअल फोर्स, जहाँ से डाइजेस्टिव पावर, ये सब निकलता है. These are interconnected systems, as you know. So take your right hand and put it on your belly. Okay, अपने नाभि पर अपने right hand रख दीजिए and just massage your belly, even though it may be very strange कि यहाँ पे मॉल पे क्या मसाज चल रहा है, but just try. Just try. And आपको हंसी आ रही है तो that's very good. That's also a part of this exercise. We'll talk about it, okay? Just massage. Take your other hand and put it on your heart. And ulta, in the other direction, massage. So one hand massaging one way, the other hand massaging another way. If your purse and all that is coming in the middle, just keep it aside for 1 second. Take your phone off the conversation and just massage. One hand on the belly, one hand on the heart. And I'm going to count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When I count till 7, you're supposed to breathe in. Then you're supposed to hold the breath and then you're supposed to let it go. Okay, so it's going to be a long breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, and gently let it go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, and gently let it go. This last time, I want you to think in your mind, close your eyes. I want you to think in your mind the last time you felt embarrassed. Today, yesterday, or last week, anytime. When the word sharam came to you, कि मैंने कुछ गलत कर दिया क्या? लोग क्या कहेंगे मेरे बारे में? How do other people feel कि मैंने कुछ गलत पहना है? या मेरी मम्मी ने बोला ऐसे ऐसे बाल मत रखो, तुम ऐसी लगती हो या ऐसे लगते हो. या शायद एक चाइल्डहुड की मेमोरी भी आ सकती है कि जब मैं बैठी थी एक अंकल के सामने, किसी ने आके बोला कि बेटा पैर बंद करके बैठो. एंड फिर मेरे माइंड में वैसा चला गया कि मेरे को पैर बंद करके ही बैठना है पूरी ज़िंदगी. मुझे ना स्विमिंग आती है, ना डांस आता है, ना मैं अपने हस्बैंड के साथ बात कर सकती हूँ क्योंकि मैं बस बैठी हुई हूँ छुप छुप के, अपने आप से ही छुप रही हूँ. दैट इज शेम. Okay, so I said it in Hindi. You can do anything in your body. Just reach that one point where you felt a little embarrassed or little weird and you were like, what do other people think about me? Okay, so just get it in your mind. And as you're bringing that memory, imagine a door and put that memory behind the door. एक दरवाज़ा imagine कीजिए और उसके पीछे ये चल रहा है. ठीक है, आप डिस्टेंस में हैं. If you're feeling yawn, like yawning, you're feeling tired, that's absolutely fine. That's good. Let your body rest as you're doing this visualization. There's a door. There's something happening behind the door where you felt a little embarrassed. And on the other side, you are watching. You are strong. That you are not embarrassed on the other side of the door, okay? And just a couple of seconds as you tune into that feeling. Now imagine there is a very powerful person in your life. Somebody who you really, really, really fear. आपको जिससे बहुत डर लगता है. Boss, a school teacher, a mother, a grandmother. Imagine that person watching you. How do they feel in your mind's eye? What are they doing? How tall are they? How short are they? What is the color of their hair? How old are they? So now there are three things going on. This powerful, very forceful figure, you, calm, and you on the other side of the door, scared, shameful, embarrassed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe in, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, and let it go. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold it, hold it, hold it, and let it go. Now very gently Very gently release your hands. Open your eyes and look at the person in front of you. आपके पास partner नहीं है, you can come in front and you can be this her partner if that's okay. Please come in front. Okay, so just look at the other person. Do you have a partner? Do you have a partner? 3 people won't do it. Can you be partners? Do you want to join me? Okay, that's fine. It's okay. Okay. So you can just watch. Everybody should have one partner. Now with the noise and everything, just hold the eye contact. Hold eye contact of that person. Let the smile come or let your embarrassment come. And I'm going to keep counting. Try to not look down. Okay? The first instinct is we look away. सबसे पहले ऐसी इच्छा आती है कि निकल जाए हम यहाँ से. Okay, just stay with that. Couple of seconds. Just look at the other person's eyes. Don't say anything. I can already sense किसी को कुछ बोलने का मन हो रहा है, कोई हंस रहा है, कोई नीचे अपने शूज़ को देख रहा है, कोई इंटेंसली देख रहा है एक दूसरे को. देखिए और स्पेशली अगर आप जैसे आप जानते हैं एक दूसरे को, राइट, और भी मुश्किल है. देखिए शर्म आती है. देखिए नाउ ट्राई कि आप एक साथ ब्रीथ करें. डोंट ट्राई टू मेक एनीवन फील गुड. ओके, जस्ट बी इन दैट स्पेस. जस्ट ब्रीथ. कोई किसी को कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंच रहा है यहाँ पे. नोबडी इज हार्मिंग एनीबडी. कैन यू बी हर पार्टनर? इज दैट ओके? So just looking, gazing and breathing together, synchronized. See if you can match your breath with this stranger. And if you know each other, then no problem. Try deeper, try harder. Okay, how do I match my partner's breathing? It's very uncomfortable, okay? That's why I'm making you do it. Try not to talk. Very nice. Some wonderful couples here. This time when you count 7 with your eyes open, when you let the breath go, you're going to say the sound. We are all going to hum together. It's going to be very interesting. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe in. Hold it, and when you let it go, the first sound of that is always so small that we feel like we are doing something wrong. Okay, I can still hear those ladies shouting there. Let's try to drown their voice. Come on, there are 20 of us here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In. Hold. And let it go. Try to take your sunglasses off and make eye contact. It's hard. That's why I'm making you do it. Last round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold it and let it go. Now gentle, just looking at the other person, not at me, looking at the other person. You are still together, looking at the other person, not at me. Don't say anything. In your mind, decide that however, whatever they're going to tell you is absolutely fine. Okay, decide that you're not going to judge them. Whether they tell you that they are gay, whether they tell you that they're cheating on their wife, whether they tell you that they want to be your best friend, whatever, you don't have to agree with them. Whatever they tell you is fine in this next half an hour. It's a non-judgmental space. जो भी आपको मन में आ रहा है मैं बताऊंगी. It's just a non-judgment. बिना judgment के we are just going to listen. to the other person. ठीक है? So you are partner. आप एक partner decide कर दीजिए. One is A, one is B. आप दोनों फिर partner बन जाइए. सब everybody has to be partners. Then if new people are joining, then come please. Okay, then not 2-3 people. Then only 2 people have to be partners, and then yeah. Okay, so partner A, partner B. One person is A, one person is B. Okay, A is looking at B. Can you all the A's raise your hands, please? Okay, and release your hands. So A is asking B, what came up for you? आपने क्या देखा? अपने मन के अंदर आपने क्या देखा? And don't judge them, don't interrupt them. It's like a free flow. Let them speak. Okay, whatever they want to say. And the time, only when I say stop, only then when you stop talking. Till then you just go like but. Just like vomit it out. Okay, we'll try. So partner A, your time starts now. Ask the question. And pause for 1 second. Whenever B, when you're listening, you feel that, oh, this is something very interesting, something very, that it hits you. Say, I hear you. Don't say anything else. Don't put your judgment like, wow, how good, how bad. Don't say that. I hear you. That's it. I hear you. Okay? A, please start. Please start wherever you are. Minutes more. One minute more. Last 30 seconds. And pause and switch. Now go to somebody you don't know and pair up with them. So switch your seat किसी और के साथ जिसको आप जानते नहीं हैं, जिनको आप जानते हैं. Ma'am, you can leave your bag there if you want. न्यू पर्सन जिसको आप जानते नहीं हैं. Challenge yourself, somebody new. We need one partner here. यहाँ पे आ जाइए आप यहाँ पे आ जाइए. अब उनको बुला दीजिए, आप यहाँ पे आ जाइए. Now just put your chair इनके सामने. Okay? Same thing. Don't start talking abhi. Same thing. Looking at each other's eyes. You have to turn. Just change, yeah. Okay, same thing. Looking at each other's eyes. This pair is doing really well. This red t-shirt and green t-shirt, you can all look at them to see how they are doing it. They are very intense and committed to the process. ठीक है, आप जितना इसमें डालेंगे आपको उतना मिलेगा. आप जितना नहीं डालेंगे कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. No talking, just looking at each other's eyes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. हंसी आ रही है, उसको रोकिए. मुझे मत देखिए, उनको देखिए. It's very difficult. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10 seconds. 1, 2, excellent. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep looking. And close your eyes. Facing each other only. Aankhein band. Now imagine, go back into that memory thing that we did. सबसे पहले जब हमने किया था, दरवाजे के पीछे आप, उसके सामने एक पावरफुल फिगर एंड आपका डिटैच्ड सेल्फ. हमने 3 चीज़ें की थी, बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड चीज़ की थी, बट उसके बारे में बताऊंगी आपको. दिस टाइम सेम डोर, गो बैक टू द सेम डोर एंड इमेजिन ऑन द अदर साइड इज अ हील्ड वर्जन ऑफ यू. आपका हील्ड वर्जन कौन है? कैसी लगती है वो? आपसे बड़ी है, आपसे छोटी है, आपसे बड़ा है, आपसे छोटा है? क्या कोई भगवान है वहाँ पे, या आपके गुरु हैं, या आप ही हैं गुरु के भाव में? Who is a healed version of you that you get a lot of strength when you imagine this person? It is you, remember, it's not somebody else. It is you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This person is very empowered. This person is not scared. This person is unashamed. Shame से free है ये. अपने आप को छोटा नहीं बनाता ये आदमी या ये औरत या कोई भी. 7, 8, 9, 10. मैं 20 तक गिनूंगी. 11. जिनको इमेजिनेशन से बहुत डर लगता है, दिक्कत होती है, प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. मसल है, मसल नहीं प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो वो ढीला हो जाता है. 12, 13, 14. I am very strong in this mind. I am so resilient. शायद मेरा रेप हुआ है, शायद मुझे किसी ने मारा था, शायद मुझे सेक्स से घिन आती है, शायद मैं अपने पार्टनर को बोल भी नहीं सकती कि मुझे यहाँ दर्द होता है, शायद मैं बताता भी नहीं हूँ अपने घर में कि मुझे घबराहट होती है अपने वाइफ के सामने या अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के सामने या अपने बॉयफ्रेंड के सामने. शायद मुझे डर लगता है डेट करने से, मेरी लाइफ में सेक्स ही नहीं है, मुझे डर लगता है इस कॉन्सेप्ट से. लेकिन इस दरवाजे के पीछे, और शायद मुझे हंसी आती है क्योंकि मैं सुनता नहीं हूँ इस चीज़ को, मैं अपने आप को एक्सपोज नहीं करता हूँ इस कॉन्सेप्ट से. मुझे लगता है हाँ हाँ ये तो किसी और के लिए है, लेकिन हम सब सेक्सुअली एक्टिव हैं. इसमें सेक्स इज नॉट अ डर्टी थिंग, इट्स अ नेचुरल थिंग. सेक्सुअल अब्यूज इज डर्टी, सेक्स इज नॉट डर्टी. इसमें कुछ भी गलत नहीं है. And behind that door, there is a empowered version of me, which is unashamed. जिसको पता है सही क्या है, गलत क्या है. Last 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bringing that very empowered self to the forefront. Very gently अपनी आंखें खोलिए and look at your partner. Now, one partner is A, one partner is B. You just listen. Okay, the question is, one person is asking, who is my most healed self? मेरा सबसे healed इंसान अंदर कौन है? One person asks, other person replies. If you find something amazing in what that person says, you say, I hear you. You don't say, oh, that's great. How great, what a lovely person. No. You just say, I hear you. It's non-neutral. It's neutral. No judgment. Your time starts now. Let's go for 5 minutes.
That person is confident with the right amount of charisma that one should carry, with the right set of mindset, right set of physique, right set of conversation skills, and right set of adjustment and capabilities. And that person, I guess, is quite open, quite opposite to what perhaps I would react to. Quite open to new experiences, quite open to new discussions, quite open to new taste. That person, I guess, is not scared, is not afraid. Speak what really matters to you, to make a difference. That's all. Yeah, I mean, that's what I would read from. Yeah, as human beings, we're naturally born competitive.
2 minutes more.
And it has been based on the fact that we had to fight to survive. So yeah, there's a lot of empty in us, and I, as a person, I enjoy process more. I do really be going years, over 20 years. It's like just like that was more than that person 20 years later. Because the person that I've seen 20 years later will be an outcome of the efforts that I've been put into each one. And that will be true fruit of all the efforts that I've made. That's the thing about it. Not just about our personality, about anything we do. And the process is more enjoyable. Is that really not really for the another challenge?
In 1 minute, you should switch. Not a new partner, same partner, other person speaks. In 1 minute. So you have time. We will go for 5 minutes for the next one.
That uncertainty that is very important. That's why I, as a person, enjoy the process. That's the beauty of it. Because the outcome will It's really instigate us to shift ourselves to the next level. We will not be able to try it as we or say as James will not enjoy the outcome so much. We will instantly shift our focus to the next target that we have lying in our pocket.
Switch कीजिए. You should switch.
So what is the most empowering thing that the one that I saw was my child and she was there happy with herself, but it's not feeling a little bit she likes to find to be now. I felt that I was joy and this goodness. It's me. The universe, I guess.
If you are done, you can just have a look and then go.
We've said that.
2 minutes more.
I can scan inside. Oh, but yeah, this failure is finding confidence. It's very difficult, and you know the other person is sitting on the next side of a chair. Yeah, and even this wants to be the fear of being taken. Nice. Because I think it's
1 minute more.
change a lot because even when I'm trying to what the other person is thinking, what am I good thing? I think probably an expression is like my face. What is the other person actually see? And that constant judgment without situating ourselves. In thinking of the facial it's right and it's when the other person you get intimidated. But yeah, that's the
If you are done, you can have a look. And I'll tell you why. You just have a look.
it's a I'm receiving as a credit. As I said for students. Very full say they do that.
Some people are deeply connecting, really lovely. Some people are done, no problem.
You know, it's quite
Gently come to a little pause. It doesn't have to end, just come to a little pause. And with your partner, just turn your chairs towards the stage so that we are again in a little semicircle. आराम से कोई जल्दी नहीं है आराम से. So would you like to come here by close to your partner? You want to come or is it fine? Okay. Yeah, you can do a gentle thanks to your partner for sharing so deeply. And the best part about these small spaces which जो हम बनाते हैं is that you don't have to be anybody's best friend. You don't have to go and date them. You don't have to take them home. You don't have to do anything beyond the scope of this space, which is why यहाँ पे shame is a very powerful topic to share with strangers. It's easier to share about shame with strangers than with loved ones, husband and wife, best friends, brother, sister, mother, father. Incredibly hard. So my name is Neha Bhatt and I am a sex therapist, and I say the word sex with the cleanest heart for us as Indians to understand that in our culture, we were the ancient culture of the Kama Sutra, of the Surya temple, of Shiva Narayana, of Trimurti. We have all these, we have Kamakya Devi here, which is a menstruating goddess. Nothing to do with orthodox religion. Just think of जो हो गया है जिसके साथ जो मतलब colonization हो के उसको पता नहीं क्या कबाड़ा बना दिया है आजकल हमने कि हम सिर्फ एक चीज को पेडेस्टलाइज करके उसके दूसरे पहलू को भूल जाते हैं. Actually, it was just part of life. अगर आप स्क्रिप्चर पढ़ते हैं और अगर आप उसको देखते हैं, उसको कॉन्टेक्स्ट में देखते हैं, जैसे we have a lot of meditative practices, we also have sexual depth practices, part of our culture, right? It's part of us. Now, saying the word sex instantly makes us feel like there is something gossipy about it, sensational about it. There are many people who use the word sex influencer for name, fame, for getting followers. I'm against all of this. Good for them, but I'm against all of this. So there is a whole field in mental health called sex therapy, which you can study, which you can go deep into. There are texts, there is reading, there is actually ways to deepen your own connection with sexual energy, which has nothing to do with sex. So may I ask you, you're nodding, why don't you tell us? I'll take this one. What is sexual energy to you?
Sexual energy can be very, very something very strong within, which you can hold. And I think that's what I can say right now. Something very strong that's within you. You'll have to be away from the.
Beautiful. Now this is fine. Okay. I'll ask you to pass the mic, or I'll ask someone to take the mic from you. Beautiful. So let's have a conversation. You can just pass the mic. Perfect. Thank you so much. Beautifully put. It's something we hold inside us, as you said. So let's go deeper. What else is sexual energy? What have you heard or what have you felt in your body? Anybody? Anybody?
It's the masculine power. I think I'm audible enough.
It's on to them. Just try it down.
I would say the same thing that Sir has just added. It's the strength and the power that lies within. That can be explored at a certain opportunity, but that doesn't comes out every time or every moment. The hidden strength would be.
The hidden strength. Please go ahead.
I just want to add that it's actually also all in the mind. You can have an orgasm without any physical touch, just in your mind, and it actually can be measured. So yeah, I just want to add that.
Thank you so much. You can have an orgasm with just your mind. It has nothing to do with somebody else touching you. It has nothing to do with being in a relationship. And look, our way of, I'm noticing our body gestures. The moment I say the word, we're looking like this. It's like punishment de diya ho. Somebody was staring at their shoes. Somebody's looking up. It's subconscious. But in a mall, in a space like this, I'm asking you to talk about this topic. It's quite brave of you all to be able to do that, which is also part of sexual energy, which is part of ourself that we keep hidden, right? Now, the act of sex, yes, there needs to be some decency around it. Of course, we're all not going around naked and trying to have orgasms. We're not living on a nudist beach. I mean, of course, all that is healthy shame. हेल्दी शेम भी कॉन्सेप्ट होता है, राइट? इट्स नॉट कि बस अनअशेम्ड होके मैं बोल रही हूँ कि मैं फेमिनिस्ट हूँ और सब कुछ चलेगा, या मैं आई एम गोइंग गो नेकेड ऑन द स्ट्रीट. दैट इज दिस वेरी crazy definition जो आजकल आ गया है, like or people feel that is unashamed. That is not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about what is a healthy sense of shame and decency and whatever in your culture you believe to be around the act of sexuality, the act of sexual function, and what is unashamed in our body that has nothing to do with external ideas of sex. Okay, so it's a little complicated, which is why I've written a book on it to explore that there are some ways in which, like you said,
Energy is everywhere. We can choose what to do with it, whether through our mind. You said through our internal function, internal we holding it. You said through the act of
About the hidden aspect.
the hidden.
The opportunity arises.
When the opportunity arises in the right context, we can use it. Now, there are some of us who feel very blocked. We don't know what is the right opportunity. We have never been given the permission to explore this in our family. Because the moment a healthy sexual thought came in one's mind, the teacher said, get out of the class. You have some deviant tendency. You are pervert. You're a pervert. You're a 12-year-old pervert. You have a crush on this girl. Get out. And I explore one chapter in which the teacher says, get out. And this man grows up to be this very, very sexually repressed human being who is supposed to get married by the time he's 28 and have a child by the time he's 30. Very common in our Indian context. And he just cannot have sex. His wife is beautiful, somebody he chose. He just cannot open up because every time he tries to access this inner power, he feels he's doing something wrong, which is the negative aspect of shame. So when we feel that shame has become so deep for us, right? Like the last session was about anxiety. What is normal anxiety? What is normal stress? Everybody has normal anxiety. Everybody has stress. But a lot of us in India carry heavy, heavy amounts of abnormal shame. So I do the same conversation in a European country. Nobody's looking at their shoes. Nobody's looking at, oh God, हंसने का मन कर रहा है, कहीं भाग जाने का मन कर रहा है. नहीं होता है. It's much more open. I'm an equal in that society. Here we are like hidden. आप लोग बहुत brave हैं, लेकिन बहुत सारे लोग नहीं भी आए हैं. उनको आना था, मुझे messages आए थे, लेकिन वो नहीं आए. That is shame. That is unhealthy ways of associating with the body. So I in my 15 years, I have a clinical practice. I have a couple of offices, one in the US, one here. And in my last 15 years of my practice, I noticed that in the mental health field, there were many ways in which people were talking about anxiety, depression, all these words, CBT, DBT, psychiatrists, all that. But the sex aspect is something that even therapists घबराते हैं. Specifically Indian therapists, specifically Indian queer therapists, right? Who are maybe lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender. They don't even touch it because they feel that it will open up some very horrible aspect of our society where you will just have many, many questions asked and there will be all sorts of deviancies and all that will happen, which has happened to me. Sometimes people have come into my office and they think that they can take their clothes off because they think sex therapy means having sex with the person. And I have to keep reiterating, that is nothing to do with, that is a different profession. This is not that profession. This is mental health. This is keep your clothes on, go deep. I have young interns who have clients really abusing their boundaries, Indian clients, because they see कि अच्छा ये तो लड़की है, ये बात कर रही है, इसके बारे में चलो, let's go to her office and let's harass her. तो ये डर का माहौल है इस सब्जेक्ट को लेके एंड इसको कैसे ब्रेक करना है, ऐसे कॉन्शियस स्पेसेस कैसे बनानी है is my whole intention behind writing this book, which sir will come to you and we will do a conversation after this. मैं इतना बात भी नहीं करती हूँ generally in these spaces. It's mostly about you talking, but we will do a I just wanted to kind of conclude by saying that we don't have any tools to go deeper into. Can I say? Yeah. We don't have any tools to go deeper into this aspect of shame because it is the Instagram influencer that is seen as like the sex expert, which is fine. Can you hear me? Is it okay? Which is absolutely fine. Nothing against Instagram or social media experts, but it is not healing. That is education. जो हमें एजुकेशन भी ठीक से नहीं मिला है इस देश में, 6th स्टैंडर्ड 7th स्टैंडर्ड का एजुकेशन भी ठीक से नहीं मिला है कि एनल सेक्स का मतलब क्या है, कनिलिंगस का मतलब क्या है, कॉन्डम कहाँ पे जाता है, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, जो दूसरे देशों में 15-13 तक मिल जाता है लोगों को, हमें वो भी नहीं मिलता है. बट उसके आगे उससे आगे बढ़ के उसको हमारी एवरीडे लाइफ में कैसे अप्लाई करना है, ये एक स्टडी है, ये एक प्रैक्टिस है. So in that, there are many, many ways to go about it, and everybody doesn't have access to therapy and psychotherapy, which is why I've kind of created this 4-part experience in the book where you go part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. It's a workbook. And I'm really not trying to sell the book. The book is selling well. It's a bestseller and it's doing really well. I'm happy about it. A number from multiple agencies here, and it was his idea to like do this book. So that's amazing for the book. So the book is, I'm not trying to sell it. I'm trying to say that there are a lack of tools in our culture around this because there is fear, and there is an entire need in the younger generation also to anchor, because now we have a lot of casual sex options. We have Tinder, Bumble, Hinge, Grindr. We have so many options, but many people are feeling lonely. People are not having more sex. They're having less sex. This is research. They're having less sex in this generation. This is the first generation in human history which is having the least amount of intimacy, because everything is on the phone. By the time you're 15, you've seen 100 naked bodies. And that does something to your brain. So the book explores that in different parts, and we go deeper and deeper into this conversation. So let's have a conversation. We have around 15 minutes. Let's see where it goes.
थैंक यू पहले तो आपको। अब सेक्स जो है, मेरी उम्र 72 है, तो मैंने इसको माइंड सेक्स कर दिया। सेक्स SEX, दुनिया बनी एक आदमी औरत बना, तो जो सक्सेस है वो एक्सचेंज हो रही है, एनर्जी एक्सचेंज हो रही है, दैट इज सेक्स। दूसरा, मैं सुबह सबसे पहले उठ के मोबाइल पे 10 लड़कियों को लिखता हूँ, आई एम बोर्न टू गिव यू हैप्पीनेस, आई एम बोर्न टू गिव यू हैप्पीनेस, चाहे वो मेरे पास रिलेटिव। क्योंकि मेरी दादी ने कहा 25 साल तक तुम्हारी शादी, 25 साल के बाद दोबारा तुम बॉयफ्रेंड करो। तो हम बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड है, हस्बैंड वाइफ नहीं है, ठीक है। एक तो ये हो गया, वो माइंड से सेक्स हो गया 10 लड़कियों के साथ। और रात को मैंने एक निकाली है कि ये मेडिटेशन वाले कहते हैं थॉट्स करो, थॉट्स जल्दी से रुकते नहीं, रुकते होंगे 5,000-10% लोगों के, 90 के नहीं रुकते, मेरे नहीं रुकते थे। क्योंकि आपको मैं सुना होगा, मेरे को बहुत सारी दवाइयाँ लेनी पड़ी। तो मैंने निकाली वेडिंग मेडिटेशन। जब मैं सो जाता हूँ, ये भी सो जाती है, मैं भी सो जाता हूँ, तो मेरी शादी शुरू हो जाती है एक लड़की से, डेली होती है, हो सकता है आज आपसे हो। तो मेरी इमेजिनेशन है ना, कोई मेरे को मना थोड़ा करता होता। मैंने बता दिया आपको, इसलिए बता दिया कि आप उस सब्जेक्ट पे हैं। मेरी मेडिटेशन, शादी होती है, मैं दुल्हन को तैयार करता हूँ, सब कुछ मैं करता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं ही दुनिया में अकेला आदमी जो टाइम में सोता है, एवरी टाइम स्मार्ट हूँ। तो सुबह जब मैं उठता हूँ तो मैं भी ऐसे दोबारा, क्योंकि अगले दिन मेरी दोबारा शादी हुई। दैट इज सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में मेरी डेली शादी हो रही है, और मेरे से ज्यादा शादी किसी ने कराई नहीं होगी, विदाउट सेक्स हो रही है, और सब कुछ हो रहा है उसमें। दुल्हन को मैं ही तैयार करता, नहलाता भी मैं। ठीक है, थैंक यू।
आप फैंटेसी की बात कर रहे हैं, बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात है। सबकॉन्शियस फैंटेसी की बात कर रहे हैं, उसको एक हेल्दी मैरिज में कैसे कन्वर्ट करके अपनी वाइफ के सामने कैसे बात। इट्स ब्यूटीफुल एक्चुअली इन अ वे जो आप कह रहे हैं, इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी डीप। इसके लिए वी नीड मच मोर टाइम टू एक्सप्लोर दिस। एक्चुअली ये पूरा टॉपिक ही इसके बारे में है, सेक्स थेरेपी इसी के बारे में है कि फैंटेसी को हेल्दी कैसे बनाए, उसको लाइफ में कैसे इंटीग्रेट करे, ताकि वो वायलेंस की तरह ना चले जाए, ताकि वो एनर्जी लीक ना हो। जैसे हम देख रहे हैं इतने सारे रेप हो रहे हैं, एनर्जी लीक हो रही है, बट ये नॉर्मल चीज है, उसको कैसे अंदरूनी मतलब एक स्ट्रेंथ में कैसे कन्वर्ट करें, इसके बारे में आपने बोला। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग। डू वी हैव टू एंड और वी हैव 5 minutes? Okay, so 2 more. Let's do 2 more responses. What has come up for you? What are you thinking about? Yeah. English, Hindi. अब on हो गया।
Without like it's like opposite.
Hello.
Without getting opposite of
I just want to know ki what's the right age for kids to have sex as the increase rate of
So I would still keep it 18. I mean, in whichever state you are in, that is the law. But 18 is, I mean, मुझे तो लगता है कि थोड़ा और होना चाहिए, थोड़ा टाइम देना चाहिए लोगों को, क्योंकि आजकल बहुत प्रीमेच्योर भी हो रहा है। But 18 is, we should wait. And इसके लिए we should teach kids how to wait.
तो पॉर्न, मैस्टरबेशन, हेल्दी पॉर्न क्या है, हेल्दी मैस्टरबेशन क्या है, प्राइवेसी में किसी के साथ क्रश, इफ यू आर क्रशिंग ऑन समबडी, प्राइवेसी में उसको डील करो उसके साथ, डोंट डीमोनाइज इट, ये सब करना पड़ेगा हमें, बट वी आर नॉट डूइंग ऑल दैट एज अ सोसाइटी. सो ये प्रॉब्लम है. सो आई वुड स्टिल से 18, द लीगल एज ऑफ कंसेंट, ये किसी ने सोच के रखा है इसके बारे में. इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एज.
Thank you.
Most welcome. No, no, okay. What are you thinking about? आप कुछ बोलना चाहते? Go ahead. No, doesn't have to be about sex, porn. It can be about shame. It can be about consent. It can be about यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, आपको कैसा लगा, anything. Since we have very less time, how was today for you?
Just think that one, I wanted to give more review, though you think it talked quite a bit, but and also probably a little more time, maybe other activities. So it was fun, and yeah, so we would have, I would have loved more.
So yeah, so ma'am is asking where do I practice, and she would have liked to hear more. Ki I would say more. So you know I speak less because एक तो बहुत लिख चुकी हूँ इसके ऊपर, एंड ये स्पेसेस ही नहीं मिलती है हमें इंडिया में. तो जब ये स्पेसेस आती हैं तो बहुत सारे इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें उसमें निकल के आती हैं, एंड वी लर्न मोर फ्रॉम ईच अदर रादर देन सम एक्सपर्ट. आई फील कि हाँ, क्योंकि ये सब लिव्ड एक्सपीरियंसेस ही है ना, हमें पता है. कोई एक्सपर्ट आके बोल रहा है, इट्स जस्ट दैट वी नीड फॉर वैलिडेशन कि आर वी गोइंग इन द राइट डायरेक्शन, इज देयर समथिंग एल्स. So having said that, I do lot of these workshops everywhere in the world, but I've also started doing these in-depth 7 days, 10 days retreat forms, जहाँ पे बहुत deep चीजें निकल के आती हैं, then you do healing work. So मैं one-on-one काम अभी नहीं करती हूँ, but I do a lot of group therapies, and it's sexually focused with men and women together, couples intimacy retreats, all of this, any age. So that is available on my website. There's a next book coming out. So it will keep on building again. I see. So sir is asking कोई free session school में, college में. तो sir यही problem है कि यहाँ पे demonize हो जाता है बहुत जल्दी से ये subject. तो school में तो allow ही नहीं है, होता है. Colleges में भी allowed है. टेड टॉक मैं आपको बताती हूँ, 3 बार मैं ना बोल चुकी हूँ. मतलब 3 बार एक इनविटेशन आया था कि करिए, मैं गई, सब प्रिपरेशन किया, और मैंने बस नॉर्मल इमेजेस दिखाई, कोई रियल लाइफ न्यूडिज्म तो नहीं दिखाया, बस पेंटिंग्स दिखाई इस टॉपिक के ऊपर, एंड विद अप्रोप्रिएट एज. नो, IIT हैदराबाद, IIT खड़गपुर, ऑल दीज प्लेसेस इनवाइट करके पीपल आर लाइक नहीं, ओके ये नहीं, कुछ हो जाएगा, प्लीज डोंट शो दिस सब्जेक्ट. ऐसा घबराते हैं लोग. बस करो, चेंज हो भी रहा है.
जो आप कुछ कर रहे हैं उससे बहुत कुछ बदलेगा, क्योंकि मेरा जन्म या किसी का भी जन्म एक माँ ने दिया है, और माँ की वैल्यू 9 महीने तो ज्यादा है. और तो नहीं करो, 9 तो ज्यादा है ना, तो वो तो ऊपर रहेगी. व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, आई से नेचर मदर ब्लेस यू.
Thank you everyone. Please take this time.
Thank you.
Just close this. Just one second. Just take your time to close this subject. अभी आप घर जाओगे, you will have other things going on. Just we did some meditation and also just close it for yourself. It's shut.